Okay, I got a 08 WRX with a faulty brake light switch sensor. I'm gonna try to diagnose and change it out here. So I put my foot on the brake, go to take it out of gear, it won't come out of gear. Let go of the brake, ABS, and the little slide sensor light comes on. That's what tells me the switch is gone. So, let's change that out real quick. Turn on some light under the driver's side. Right there, just above the brake pedal. Quick and easy. Push that in right there, and it will pop out. Pop the plug out. Give it a little quarter turn. Pops the switch out. The new switch. Part number. Brand new switch. Let's see if we can get it back in there. Push it in tight as you can. Turn it back. Clicks into place. Find where the plug actually went back. And then find out you put it in facing the wrong direction. So spin it around. Click back, get it in the other way. Plug it back in. Quick, easy. Start her back up, see if it picks the problem. Put the foot on the brake. Right out of gear. No problems whatsoever. Let go of the brake. No more dash lights. Right out of gear, no problem. Perfect. Hopefully that was helpful.